Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to see how loud the self-empty is on the Mova P50 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the P50 Pro Ultra or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's go ahead, let's empty the dustbin and see how loud it gets.
Start auto empty.
So there you have it. We peaked at 81.1 decibels, but ironically, that was due to the loud volume from the voice speaking about what was going to happen versus the actual noise level of the self-empty itself. So we peaked at 81, but really it's going to be a little bit quieter. So watch the meter in action to see what you can realistically expect.
Start auto empty.
It's going to be closer to that 75, 76 decibel range.